Hi, Blaze from QuickBooks here, wishing everyone in the US and UK a very happy payroll week. And in honor of payroll week, I decided to put together some really basic payroll 101 blogs and videos. So none of these are going to be specific to QuickBooks, but I will call out QuickBooks features and functionality when appropriate. So over the next few weeks, I'll be going over what identification numbers are required before you can pay employees, the difference between employees and contractors. I'll review a simple paycheck and go over how much that paycheck costs the company versus the net pay that the employee takes home. And note, this might be a great one to send over to your employees. I'll then go over to talk about payroll taxes. And finally, I'll talk about payroll forms. Again, this session is specific to the US, but not specific to QuickBooks. Okay, so at a very high level, what identification numbers are required before you can pay employees? Think you know the answer? Let's find out. It's fantastic that you want to hire employees, but before you can pay them, you need to make sure you actually are set up as a business. And this would include making sure you had a federal employer identification number, which is abbreviated FEIN or EIN for short. Basically, you can think of this number as a social security number for your business entity. If you don't have one, it's really easy to go to the IRS website and get one. I'll be sure to include a link to the website in the description. After you get your EIN, then you can go to your state and local government website to see if there's any additional identification numbers that you need. They will require your EIN to complete any registrations that they have as well. All right, but why do you need these numbers in the first place? You need to get these numbers because when you run payroll for your employees, the payroll taxes will first be calculated. Those will then need to be withheld. Then they'll have to be paid. And finally, you have to report them, aka using payroll forms. So in order to make sure that the governments know that you are paying and reporting your taxes appropriately, they need these numbers. So before you pay your employees, you need to get your federal employer identification number, followed by any state or local business IDs. And all this is needed so that payroll taxes can be properly paid and filed. That's it for today. Thanks so much and have a great day.